Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about German DAX. All right, so let's get started. This is the monthly chart for German DAX I have. This is all I have from this broker. It's a small chart, but I don't have any more history. I can go back as far as 2013. All right, so this is what it is, and you can see this is a current monthly chart, and this candle is the current candle for month of July. It came down as far as low as this high here, 24.26. You see the lowest point on this one is 23.72. So 72 means it's just 28 pip here, 26 pip there. That's how it is. 40, around 50 pip. Apart from this, went down a little bit more than this and then went up again, and now slightly going to the upside. Maybe that's another high here. I will try to stop this one, and then another one, this one. So we have to pay attention to this is what it is. But for now, we can say that, yeah, okay, maybe this is a big support here, right? And it's probably gonna bounce at least, to maybe this high or this high, and then it depends. It depends on the fundies, that what kind of fundies we're gonna get, and what are the news are, right? So this is a monthly chart. 24.26 gave us a bounce, and we are slightly going to the upside right now. It's 28.33. So now weekly chart is look like this. You pull the fib from here to here, it came down to not only that 24.26, but 78% of this whole rise. Straight down first touch, then it went up, came down second, and bounced. So like 2 times. This is the second time I rejected last week, and the current candle also posting a big wick in the bottom. Right, so the chances are that this thing is gonna go up from here, right? So now that's all we need to know here, that okay, this is going to go up from here, maybe it's gonna bounce, but do we have any other clue in this chart? No. So we're gonna go and see another chart, Renko chart, one of my Renko chart, and this is what it is. This is what's cooking within the small candles, those weekly candles. And this is a pattern, harmonic pattern is called Gertler pattern. X, A, B at 61%, C is anywhere between 38 to 23%. So that's perfect C. And then point D supposed to come down at 78%, like this one. For example, this is the chart. You can see that this is the diagram here. X, A, B, 61%, then 23%, 38, in between 38 and 23, ideally. And then it comes down to D at 78%, and then bounce. So 78% starts to bounce. So let's see. There's a big level here. Like I said, I showed you this 24.26 monthly high. So maybe that is the one that is gonna send it back to the upside, maybe to these highs here somewhere, right? So this is the important chart now, 24.26, and then to make the entry, this is not the entry chart. The entry chart is my 20-minute chart, which is this. So now you can see that 24.26 is somewhere here. 24.26 is, whoops, 24. Okay, so it is all the way down somewhere. Here, right? So it bounced and then it came down and making a Gertler kind of pattern, right? On a little bit of bigger chart here, like this one here, right? So from there on, it's 24 something, 24.26, but it is now at 28.34. So the rise and the fall, and then now the rise and the fall, and then again is going to the upside, and now it has become bullish already, right? So we are expecting a bounce, and this is what it is. This is, if you want to trade, this is a right now we have a long setup build up here. This is a perfect long setup. This was a long setup and it played out nice and clean. Then we retrace. But if we are going to go up, then this is a long setup, and then it's going to go to the upside. excuse me, all in all, around this high maybe, and then maybe even more, right? So it depends. So this is how the DAX looking like. So trade record, excuse me, my COVID. Last week I had a very bad COVID attack, me and my son. So I'm still recovering, uh, not 100% yet, but thank God it's gone. He just spared me. So anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.